Hello, my name is Matthew Warren. I live in Hebron, Connecticut, about halfway between Boston and New York in the USA. And today we're going to talk about the StockTradingSandbox, a persistent, publicly available, refactored version of the finance project. So what I did is, I'm recording this in July of 2023. Back at the end of May, IEX changed their trial period from a month down to a week. And what I found is that I needed to shift it to the basic package, which is this bid, ask, last trade. So it's a different endpoint, different URL to make the call. And it provides a slightly different naming of the various attributes and does not include company name. So I need to refactor the app a little bit to make that change. But most of the learning came from getting comfortable with AWS. Use that free tier. You can set up an EC2. This is my current one right now, using, again, Ubuntu. And I set up, I probably started and stopped, terminated a bunch of templates or a bunch of instances, so I recommend a template. And then they'll give you the command to use SSH to get into that server. So if you make sure that your key pair is in the correct folder, and then you use that command, you'll be able to log in. And then from there, it should be blank, but you can use an SSH keygen to go over to GitHub, and something similar, you'll be able to pull down the code and pull it over to AWS. So I took the time to put in the README doc all the steps required to do this, and I guess there's two things of value here. Number one, you can use this StockTradingSandbox, but number two, you could get on GitHub and follow these steps to deploy your own apps. I think that's it. Appreciate it. I guess just gUnicorn and Nginx are the web server and reverse proxy to kind of create a production-ready web server, so that if the EC2 were to go down and come back up, your app would also restart. So that's it. I thank you very much. Cheers.